Welcome back to Broken and Smoking. Today we're going to do something a little different. You're probably wondering what? I'm still wondering what too. And why. But the ex-wife, she's wanting the chicken coop. So, I guess that's what we're going after. Get up here on the fence row where I got the scrap hauler. About got it stuck getting back here. It's been raining cats and dogs out here. As you can see in the background, we got plenty of water back there holding. But right up here's, I think, is where we're gonna do it. Let me get out and get situated. We're gonna do one of them pop-up styles. I got me some safety wire pliers. Y'all know what them are. Surely. Safety wire, got a couple hinges, a latch, some staples, got 2 cow panels, and a truckload full of lumber. Got my daughter going after a hammer. Found it?
Yep.
Alright, so my plan is it's going to be 8x8. Probably wrap it with some 1/2-inch mesh wire, which we don't have right now. We're going to get it off the World Wide Webs because, you know, it's cheaper. Don't know how it's cheaper online, but it is what it is, I guess. And I've got some pallet wood. I've got a shipping container that I grabbed from work. That's going to be the, what do you call it, the chicken house, I guess.
Yeah,
then we got a nesting box that we're gonna put on the back side of that. Well, I guess the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have to make the frame, the box. So it's gonna be an 8x8, like I say. And I'm just using your pressure treated 2x4s. Try to do this as cheap as possible. Anybody knows me, cheap.
He's
all right.
a cheapskate.
Yeah, she asks for stuff all the time. What'd I say?
No.
That's right. We got the lumber on the ground, so I'm planning on taking the cattle panels, laying them this way, side by side. Them cattle panels are 50 by 16 foot. We're gonna lay them this way, staple them down on the 2x4s. Then we're gonna lift it up, make the hoop. And I'm going to try to take a ratchet strap, to hold it together as we bring the ends in, if that makes any sense. I mean, it does to me right here. We'll just see how it goes. I'll hit it a couple more times and it's still up a little bit. Look at Mama out doing, y'all. Step Mama out doing the step kids. Swing that thing like he's pissed off at the ex-husband. All done. See?
The ex-husband bought a new hot rod. How do you feel?
She's got hot rods too. So we got these cowl panels laid down. As you can see, we overlapped them right there. And that made it come out perfectly on the ends. So now we're gonna take, let me see if I can explain this. Flip it over and lay it down this way. So when we stand it up, this is gonna be on the inside. Y'all can video me when I do it. And yeah, that's gonna be on the inside, and kind of being particular, you can see how this is welded on top of here, so this will be on the inside too. I think it'll look a little better. And I still got some safety wire I'm gonna run through here at the seams to hold them together. So I guess that would be the next thing we're actually gonna do.
Me to show you how to do that too?
Safety wire. I might want to put it. Guess I'll do every other thing. Everything. Hook it up. Lock your pliers. That's all this to it. Try it. Ex-wife had to get in on the action. What took him so long for? Huh? I guess. Yep. All right, you want to tell them what we did?
So, we built the door onto our chicken coop. We used 2x4s and we attached these two to make more support. And we added aprons.
Support triangles.
Triangles. Good enough.
What's triangles do?
Makes it sturdier.
That's right.
So, this is way more sturdier than it was before. And we added support in the corners. Hopefully chickens just don't fall over them. And as you can tell, these are way more sturdy.
Now we gotta add the chicken box on the other end.
So this is gonna, on this end, this is gonna be where the chickens sleep and hatch their little eggs. Well, not hatch, because hopefully they don't have babies.
We're gonna eat them little eggs.
And this is gonna be where we walk into the chicken coop.
Chicken run.
Chicken run?
Yep.
Chicken run in it.
Different day, different Goodwill shirt right here. So I've got a headache that I'm hoping that will go away. But yesterday I got quite a bit accomplished, and I'll show you what I got. So here's the coop, or the run, and I'm going to connect it to the playhouse deal. And we got a solar door I'm going to put over that window somehow. We got an old barn door that's going to go over the chicken house thing there. I got a little bit of fixing up to do. I got some wire I got to put over the cattle gate. We got a little bit of work to do. But it's slowly and surely coming together. I just got to see how long I can hold out before my head gets to pounding. You know, migraines ain't good. And I definitely don't want one.